Uh, uh, uh. Oh Rwanda, land of 1,000 hills, your districts shine with dreams and thrills. From east to west, from south to north, each one brings your beauty forth. One Gasabo, where Kigali's skyline proudly stands. History and progress go hand in hand. To Kikopiro, innovation blooms in every street. Education hubs where minds meet. Rwanda, the city's pulse, the business core. Markets bustling, opportunities galore. Former sons at home to gorillas and volcanic peaks. Adventure awaits for those it seeks. 5 Burera, twin lakes shimmer under the sun. A tranquil haven for everyone. 6 Kikumbi, rolling hills and tea plantations green. A countryside serene and clean. Known for crafts and cultural flair, traditions preserved with utmost care. 8 Kikenke, agriculture thrives in fertile land, farmers working hand in hand. 9 Nagatari, expansive plains where cattle roam, a pastoral life, a herder's home. 10 Gatsibo, fields of maize and beans abound, feeding the nation from the ground. 11 Kayonza, crossroads where travelers meet, journeys begin on every street. 12 Kirahi, borderlands with rivers wide, bridges connecting each side. 13 Goma, rice paddies stretch far and near, harvest bringing locals cheer. 14 Ramagana, industrial growth and urban sprawl, progress echoing in every call. 15 Bugeza, home to the new airport's rise, taking dreams into the skies. 16 Hui, academic roots run deep and strong, knowledge guiding all along. 13 Rwanda, royal palaces and art so grand, a cultural heartbeat of the land. 18 Jisagara, textiles woven with skilled hands, craftsmanship that proudly stands. 19 Yamagata, forest dense in nature's call, biodiversity enthralls all. 20 Narukuru, sacred sites and pilgrims' ways, spiritual journeys every day. 21 Ruhanga, markets lively with trade and song, community bonds ever strong. 22 Kimonyi, bridging city and rural life, harmony amidst the strife. 23 Mohanga, artisans shaping with finesse, creating beauty to impress. 24 Karanga, Kivu shores with sunsets bright, tourist haven, pure delight. 25 Rutiro, coffee beans on mountain slopes, brewing dreams and global hopes. 26 Rubavu, beaches meet the urban beat, a fusion that's uniquely sweet. 27 Nayabi, foggy mornings, fertile ground, harvest in abundance found. 20 Burero, hills that tell of tales gone by, echoes of history never die. Rivers meet and cultures blend, a mosaic that will never end. Beaches meet the urban beat, a fusion that's uniquely sweet. 27 Nayabihu, foggy mornings, fertile ground, harvest in abundance found. 20 Ngororero, hills that tell of tales gone by, echoes of history never die. Where rivers meet and cultures blend, a mosaic will never end. Beaches meet the urban beat, wines and memories we make. 40 mornings, fertile ground, harvest in abundance found.